Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to show you how to get the Zombie Hunter 2 mod for unlimited ammo and unlimited money. So here we go. I'm going to show you how the mod works. Basically, just click here. Then we're going to select that we want unlimited gems, currency, and unlimited reload. So there it is. As we see, I don't have much money, but when I click on the upgrade button, I get as much as I want, which gives unlimited resources as well. So I'm going to show you how the unlimited ammo works in Zombie Hunter 2 as well, Mod Apk for iOS and Android. And maybe it's not the best gun, but you will see that I don't have to reload. There it is. Okay, so how to get the mod itself, I'm gonna show you in just a second. So you need to go to any browser that you would like and go to abshill.com. So this is the website that they have the Zombie Hunter 2 mod, and you can just search for it and click download. So after you click the download button, it could ask you to verify your device, and I'm going to show you how to complete just that. And there it is. So once you're here, you just gotta complete usually it's one offer, sometimes it could be two. Then your device is verified and you can get your game mod that you wanted. So guys, like the video if this worked for you guys, and enjoy the new Zombie Hunter mod.